We all know that diet is super important when managing diabetes because what we eat can have a huge impact on our blood sugar levels. But did you know that what you drink before bed can also influence your blood sugar overnight? In today's video, we're going to break down 8 bedtime drinks that can help you get a restful night's sleep while keeping your glucose levels stable. If you're looking to cut back on sugar and get your body back in balance, these drinks are definitely worth trying. At the very least, they're likely better for you than that late-night bowl of ice cream. When you overindulge in sugar, it can really disrupt your body, leaving you feeling tired, irritable, and craving even more sugar. It's a vicious cycle. So, stick around as we dive into some of the best drinks for flushing out sugar overnight, what makes each one so effective, and how you can easily add them to your routine. Stay with us until the end. What we've discovered could change everything you thought you knew about blood sugar levels. But before we jump in, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's make this the most liked video on the channel. Do you have diabetes? Which part of the world are you watching from? After you've finished the video, leave a comment below. 1. Lemon water. Your liver plays a crucial role in processing excess sugar, and lemon water can support this process. The main beneficial component in lemon water is vitamin C. Your liver uses vitamin C to produce an antioxidant called glutathione, which helps break down toxins and waste products, including excess sugar. So, by drinking lemon water, you're giving your liver a little boost to do its job more effectively. Some studies have even found that vitamin C can help reduce fasting blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Now, that doesn't mean lemon water is a cure for diabetes, but it suggests that vitamin C could play a role in blood sugar regulation. One of the best things about lemon water is how easy it is to make. Just squeeze some fresh lemon juice into a glass of water. You can enjoy it warm or cold. If you're feeling adventurous, try adding a sprinkle of cayenne pepper or a dash of honey. Just be careful not to go overboard with the honey, as that would add back the sugar you're trying to avoid. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Now, I'll be honest, this one isn't going to win any taste contests, but it has some interesting effects on blood sugar that make it worth considering. The key component in apple cider vinegar, ACV, is acetic acid, which seems to slow down the rate at which your body digests carbohydrates. When you eat carbs, your body breaks them down into sugar, but if that process happens more slowly, you avoid the big blood sugar spikes that can leave you feeling jittery, then crashing. Some studies indicate that consuming small amounts of apple cider vinegar before bedtime might help reduce morning blood sugar levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. It's often recommended for diabetic patients to take 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar mixed with warm water before bed. Research backs this up. A 2019 study published in the International Journal of Medical Research and Health Sciences found that drinking ACV before bed significantly improved fasting blood glucose levels in people with type 2 diabetes. The acetic acid in ACV also boosts insulin sensitivity, helping the body process glucose more effectively. Apple cider vinegar may also assist with weight management, which is closely tied to blood sugar control. Some studies suggest it can increase an enzyme called AMPK, which helps the body burn fat and use glucose more efficiently. Drinking straight apple cider vinegar is quite intense, so it's better to mix a tablespoon with a glass of water. Some people like to drink this mixture before bed, while others prefer it before meals. You'll need to experiment to see what works best for you. However, a word of caution: apple cider vinegar is acidic, so if you have issues with acid reflux, you might want to skip this one or consult your doctor first. 3. Green tea. Green tea is one of those drinks that seems to appear on every health list, and for good reason. It's packed with beneficial compounds. When it comes to sugar detox, green tea has a few key benefits. First, green tea contains catechins, which are antioxidants that help support liver function. Remember, your liver is essential for processing excess sugar, so anything that supports it is good news. Green tea also contains a small amount of caffeine. Now, you might be thinking, caffeine before bed? That's crazy. But hear me out. The caffeine in green tea can actually help boost your metabolism slightly. Some studies have shown that it can increase metabolic rate by about 4%. That might not sound like much, but over time, it can make a difference. The caffeine and catechins in green tea also appear to aid in fat oxidation, helping your body burn fat for energy. This can be especially helpful if you're trying to lose weight while also balancing your blood sugar. Don't worry too much about the caffeine keeping you awake. Green tea contains much less caffeine than coffee, and it also has a compound called L-theanine that promotes relaxation. Many people find they can drink green tea in the evening without it disturbing their sleep. A 2023 study involving more than 2,200 Chinese adults found that drinking tea may lead to lower insulin secretion and increased insulin sensitivity. This research was conducted over a 5-year period. While the findings are promising, to fully understand the benefits of green tea for diabetes, we'll need more well-controlled studies involving diverse groups. If you're not used to the taste of green tea, it might take some time to get accustomed to it. Try different varieties to find one you like best. Some people prefer it hot, while others enjoy it iced. 4. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon might make you think of cookies and pastries, but this spice actually has powerful effects on blood sugar. Cinnamon tea is a great way to harness these benefits. Studies have shown that cinnamon can help lower insulin resistance. Insulin is the hormone that helps your body process sugar. When you become resistant to it, your body has to produce more and more insulin to keep your blood sugar in check. By improving insulin sensitivity, cinnamon can help your body manage blood sugar more effectively. A 2019 systematic review of studies on individuals with type 2 diabetes and prediabetes found that cinnamon could significantly lower fasting blood sugar levels and insulin resistance compared to a placebo. That's a substantial impact from just adding a simple spice to your diet. Cinnamon contains compounds called polyphenols that seem to mimic the effects of insulin. This helps move sugar out of your bloodstream and into your cells, where it can be used for energy. Making cinnamon tea is simple. You can either use cinnamon sticks or ground cinnamon. If you're using sticks, steep one in hot water for about 10 minutes. For ground cinnamon, add about half a teaspoon to your cup. Pour hot water over it. Let it steep for a few minutes and strain if needed. The great thing about cinnamon tea is that it's naturally sweet, so you don't need to add any sugar. 5. Ginger tea. Ginger is another spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. When it comes to blood sugar, ginger seems to have some interesting effects. The main active compound in ginger is called gingerol, which appears to enhance insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to use insulin more effectively to process sugar. Some studies have found that ginger can help reduce fasting blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. Ginger also has anti-inflammatory properties, which is important because chronic inflammation can interfere with insulin sensitivity. By reducing inflammation, ginger may help your body respond to insulin more effectively. Like cinnamon, ginger has a naturally sweet taste. To make ginger tea, you can use either fresh ginger root or dry ginger. For fresh ginger, peel and slice about an inch of root and steep it in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. If you're using dried ginger, add about half a teaspoon per cup of water. Some people like to add a slice of lemon to their ginger tea for added flavor and a boost of vitamin C. 6. Cucumber water. Staying well hydrated is essential for all of your body's functions, including processing and eliminating excess sugar. But cucumbers aren't just water. They also contain compounds called cucurbitacins that may support liver function. Remember, your liver plays a key role in regulating blood sugar levels. Cucumber water is also naturally low in calories and sugar. making it a great replacement for sugary drinks. Plus, its light, refreshing flavor can help satisfy cravings for something sweet. To make cucumber water, simply slice up a cucumber and add it to a pitcher of water. Let it sit in the fridge for a few hours or overnight to allow the flavor to infuse. You can also add other ingredients like mint or lemon for extra flavor. 7. Fenugreek. Water. Fenugreek is an herb that's been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, known especially for its potential to help control blood sugar. Studies have shown that fenugreek can help lower fasting blood sugar levels and improve glucose tolerance. It appears to work by slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates in the digestive tract and stimulating insulin production. To make fenugreek water, soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight. In the morning, strain out the seeds and drink the water. It has a slightly bitter taste that some people find off-putting, but you can add a squeeze of lemon to improve the flavor. A word of caution: fenugreek can interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners. If you're on any medications, consult your doctor before adding fenugreek to your routine. 8. Turmeric milk. Turmeric has gained a lot of attention in recent years for its health benefits, and for good reason. This bright yellow spice contains a compound called curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. When it comes to blood sugar, turmeric seems to help in a few ways. It may improve insulin sensitivity and reduce insulin resistance. Some studies have even found that it can help lower blood sugar levels after meals. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, is a traditional Indian drink that combines turmeric with milk, dairy or plant-based, and other spices like cinnamon and ginger. This combination not only tastes great, but also offers a range of potential health benefits. To make turmeric milk, warm up a cup of milk, dairy, almond, coconut, etc., and stir in about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, which helps your body absorb curcumin, and any other spices you like. Some people add a small amount of honey for sweetness, but if you're trying to cut back on sugar, you might want to skip it. It's worth noting that everyone's body is different, so what works well for one person might not have the same effect on another. If you decide to try any of these drinks, pay attention to how your body responds. Have you heard of these drinks that help control blood sugar overnight? Which one from our list are you planning to try? Leave your comment below. If you found this video helpful, please type OKKAG in the comments below, and don't forget to check out these 2 videos we've selected just for you. Thanks for watching.